Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic. Imagine this. You're in the middle of your makeup routine and you need a liner that delivers precision, stays put all day, and adds that perfect bold finish. Well, that's where today's review comes in. Let's talk about the Tarte Sex Kitten Liquid Liner in Black, a product designed to give you a sharp, matte finish that's supposed to last through your busiest days. Let's break it down. The Sex Kitten Liquid Liner from Tarte promises long-lasting wear with a matte finish, making it perfect for anyone looking for bold, defined eyes without the risk of smudging. It's a gel-based liner, which means it should glide on smoothly and give you that precise line you've been searching for. The applicator is designed to give you control, so whether you're going for a cat eye or a simple defined look, this liner should have you covered. When I first tried this liner, I was pretty excited. I mean, a gel liner with such a sleek, fine-tipped applicator sounds like a dream. The formula is smooth and creamy, gliding onto the skin without pulling or tugging, which is always a plus. I was impressed by how well it stayed in place through a full workday. No smudging, no flaking, just a perfect black line that looked fresh from start to finish. It's blendable too, which I love for days when I want a softer look or a little more drama with my liner. But like any product, it's not without its quirks. If you're in a rush, be mindful of the drying time. I found that it takes a couple of minutes to fully set, so if you're doing your makeup in a hurry, you might want to wait just a bit before blinking too much. Also, if you're someone who tends to rub your eyes or have sensitive skin, you might notice a little bit of wear throughout the day, though for me, it stayed in place pretty well. But hey, we all have different skin types, so your experience might vary. Let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, this liner is highly pigmented, giving you that deep, rich black color right from the first swipe. It's easy to apply, and the gel formula makes it blendable for when you want to build it up. The packaging is sleek and sturdy, which is always a bonus for durability. On the flip side though, the product might not be as quick drying as I'd like. If you're not careful, you might end up with a little transfer before it fully sets. In terms of value for money, the price point feels fair for a high-quality product that delivers on its promises. With the performance and the fact that it lasts, you're getting a lot of value out of this liner. However, if you're just starting out with liquid liners and don't want to splurge just yet, there are other options that might be a bit more budget-friendly, but still get the job done. Comparing it to other gel liners, I'd say that the Tarte Sex Kitten stands out in terms of pigmentation and staying power. There are definitely similar options out there at a lower price, but this one offers that premium feel that comes with a trusted brand like Tarte. So, while you could go for a cheaper option, this one's worth considering if you're looking for something that has a little extra staying power and a sleek finish. When it comes to build quality, the packaging is solid and travel-friendly. The liner is easy to store and won't spill, and the applicator is designed for precision, so you get clean lines every time. It's definitely a product built for longevity though, as I've been using mine daily for weeks without it drying out or losing its smooth consistency. Now, if you've had any experience with Tarte's customer service, you know they're pretty top-notch. From what I've seen, the brand is known for being responsive to inquiries, and if you have any issues with the product, I'm confident they'll help resolve them quickly. If you're looking for alternatives, there are some solid gel liners out there that might be a bit less expensive, but if you love the Tarte brand and the smooth, matte finish it provides, this is definitely a good investment. It's a product that will stick with you through long days and give you the definition you crave, making it worth every penny. So, what's the final verdict? The Tarte Sex Kitten Liquid Liner is a strong contender if you're in the market for a high-quality gel liner. Its smooth application, long-lasting wear, and deep pigmentation make it a standout. While it's not the quickest to dry and might need a little patience, the results speak for themselves. I'd recommend it for anyone who wants a bold, defined look that won't budge throughout the day, and if you're willing to invest in a liner that brings that extra edge. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.